Imagine your car is struggling to breathe, the performance is dropping, and that dreaded engine light is staring you down because your powertrain control module just caught a massive lean condition in cylinder number 4. The code P02A6 isn't just a random warning, it's a signal that your engine is literally starving for fuel in one specific spot, and if you ignore it, you're looking at serious internal damage. This generic powertrain diagnostic trouble code means the long-term fuel trim has hit its absolute positive limit, usually around 25%, because the oxygen sensors are reporting way too much air and not enough gas. Normally, your fuel trim should stay between 0 and 10%, but when it spikes this high, it's a red flag. You'll likely feel the engine stumble, have a hard time starting up, or even feel a constant misfire. To fix this, don't jump straight to the expensive stuff. Start by hunting for vacuum leaks around the intake manifold, listening for that telltale hissing sound, and checking those pesky PCV lines that love to crack. If things look dry and tight there, grab a fuel pressure gauge to make sure your pump is delivering enough juice. If the pressure is low, check your fuel filter and the voltage at the pump relay. If the pressure is fine, it's time to look at the cylinder 4 injector itself. Use a digital volt ohm meter to check for that ground pulse from the powertrain control module. You can even use a stethoscope to listen for a healthy clicking sound while the engine runs. If that injector is silent or leaking, you've found your culprit. Just remember to be careful with high-pressure fuel components and always clear your codes to see if the fix holds after a solid test drive.